This is one of Elliot Coleman's earlier greenhouses being moved to expose plants that had been started months earlier. This extends the spring season by several weeks, as well as to further extend the season in the fall. Because we only have space for the one greenhouse, we have adopted the same idea, but in a different way. We use what we call portable containers that we move in and out of the greenhouse to take advantage of the differences in seasonal conditions both in the spring and in the fall. These are 5-gallon buckets cut to 8 inches high, filled with 6 inches of our soil mix and drilled with drainage holes. Containers let plants move to better light and temperature conditions. Move young plants to outdoor beds. Cover when weather allows. Best near bed edges with open aisles and gaps between pots. Portable containers add extra growing time with some effort.